You are hitting the gym 4, maybe 5 times a week. You're putting in the work, but you just feel beaten down. And the guy in the mirror isn't showing any of the progress you are fighting for, right? You are starting to wonder, is building muscle even possible anymore? I'm here to tell you it absolutely is. The problem isn't your effort, and it's definitely not your age. The problem is that you're probably making a few common muscle-killing mistakes without even knowing it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 things you need to stop doing right now. We are going to get you out of that rut so that you can finally start building some serious muscle. By the way, my name is Boris Kish. I'm a fully licensed IFBB fitness coach, professional nutritionist, and the super heavyweight bodybuilding competitor in the category over 100 kilograms. Welcome to my channel. Mistake number 1, you're training simply too often, okay? You cannot train too often. Less is more. Believe it or not, that doesn't mean that you are supposed to be some lazy motherfucker sitting at home doing nothing. Now, I didn't say that. But you know, you cannot train 5, 6, 7 times per week, especially if you're not enhanced. You know, the biggest mistake most lifters make is training too often. Your muscles simply don't grow when you're lifting. You understand that? You get me, right? You grow when you recover. When you train without full recovery, you're just breaking your body down without giving it the chance to rebuild. Your nervous system and joints simply need time to reset before you can actually get stronger. I mean, it's easy to understand, right? I'm pretty sure that you can get it. If you never stop, your body never gets the chance to move forward. Let me know in the comments, are you giving your muscles enough time to recover, or are you stuck in that more is better trap? Be honest. Number 2. The most important thing, you don't respect the 72-hour recovery window. I said it, I'll say it again. You know, simply when your muscles are recovering after the training, you need 3 full days until you get back to the starting point. You understand? So those 3 days you need simply to repair the tissue that you broke, you know, when you were training, when you were destroying yourself in the gym. You understand? Muscle growth follows a simple cycle. Listen now. Stress, recovery, and supercompensation. The first 72 hours are when your muscle repair the damage and return to the simple baseline, okay? The next 48 hours or 2 days are when you actually get stronger. This is the supercompensation phase, you understand? This is when you put the new tissue. If you train the same muscle again before the process finishes, you interrupt growth and stay stuck in the recovery mode. You understand? Over and over and over and over. Recovery isn't weakness, it's where real strength is built. Number 3, so that it doesn't sound like I'm hypocrite, like I'm jumping in my own mouth from previous videos, is you're mixing goals without realizing it, okay? What does that mean? As I said, if you're over 40, over 50, I highly suggest that you do full body 3 times per week. Of course, then you cannot follow this 72 hours rule. I fully understand. Or if you're doing a push-pull leg system, then you cannot. But you have to know what your goal is, okay? This video, this point is for you who want to build the most muscles that you can possibly build. Doesn't matter what your age is. Do you understand? If your goal is to feel good, stay active, and move better, as I said, full body workouts 3 times per week, perfect, really perfect. I stick to that. But if your goal is maximum hypertrophy, That approach simply won't cut it. You'll stay small forever or not big enough. You understand? You need enough intensity and enough rest between sessions to let your muscles grow to their full potential. The problem isn't your effort, it's training. Like, your goal doesn't exist. You have to know what your goal is. If you don't know what your goal is, you're simply, flying in the gym like a headless fly. Train the body you want, not the routine you're used to. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me you want more no bullshit content made for people who actually train with purpose, like you. Number 4, you're ignoring nutrition's role in recovery, okay? Doesn't matter what split you're doing, you have to understand eating, feeding the muscles, feeding the body is extremely important, more important than the training itself. It's not more important, but I would say minimum equally important. Once a person asks me, how many percent is the training important, how many percent are the nutrition important, how many are the roids important, I say, training is 100%, and nutrition is another 100%. Steroids are maybe 2%, honestly. If you're an intense bodybuilder, like I was when I was competing, I'm on TRT now. Even if your training is perfect, simply you cannot rebuild what you don't feed. Your body needs enough high-quality protein and recovery fuel to repair and to grow. Think of food as construction material, right? Okay? Your body uses to rebuild after every session. You can't out-train an empty tank. Fuel the growth that you're chasing. Number 5, you're not sleeping or managing stress properly. Be honest. You have to sleep 7-8 hours per day, every day. When I fuck up my sleep, I definitely feel the training sucks and recovery sucks, and I look like shit, Sleep, of course, hydration and stress control aren't areas, they're the foundation, okay? Without proper rest, your hormones crash, your recovery stalls, your energy drops, you look like an impotent, I don't want to tell you what. Cortisol kills progress faster than bad form. Sleep is where your body resets, repairs, and grows. Real discipline isn't pushing harder, it's knowing when to recover. As I always said, remember, recovery is a weapon. And if you want to see which exercises cause the most injuries in the gym, click on this video right here. And as always, I'll see you there.